Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's how-to video for today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to chit potatoes. You must excuse the wind, it's currently storm and gather here at the moment, so it'll be rattling about, but hopefully you can all hear it and I'll explain how to do it. So I've been and bought my potatoes today. They are Maris Piper and Charlotte. Those are the two potatoes that I'm using this year. So now that we've got them, we need to get them chitted. First off, we need to make sure that they're stored in a light, cool place, usually at about 10 degrees. You don't want them too hot or you don't want them too cold, and you don't want them in the dark. So somewhere like a garage or a porch, which just lets out a bit of the house heat, that should be perfect for them. So to chip potatoes, you need to put them into either, you can either use an egg box, they are perfect, or you can use a seed tray, but you'll need to make sure that you support them to keep them upright, or you can use something like what I'm going to use, which is plant pot tray holders, which are perfect. So let's show you how to do it.
So right, first I'm going to be starting with my Maris Piper potatoes. What you are looking for are the eyes on the potato. This is where the potato will be sprouting from, which generally will look like something like that. So you want them to be facing upwards in your trays or egg boxes or whatever you're going to be using. So basically it's just a case of popping them in face up. Just like that. Nice and simple. So once you've done them, it'll just look just like that. Like a tray full of eggs. If you planted them in trays, standing them up in trays, they won't stand up as there's nothing to support them. So what you're best off doing is maybe getting some newspaper just to maybe fill the gap, just like that. And then you can just pop your potatoes just in neatly like that. So that they stand up and they're supported. You can obviously do this with a box, maybe use a cereal box and cut the top off it, or any sort of box that you want to use if you've not got trays around. So yeah, that will look something like that. Again, nice and simple. But I'm not going to be using seed trays because I need all the seed trays that I can get. As when you see how many seeds I've purchased, you will see that I will need all the seed trays I can get. So I'm going to be using these plant pot holders to stand them up in them. So let's get on with doing them. So again, eyes need to be at the top, just stood up, nice and easy, just like that. So let's finish off all them. So now that I've done them, I need to move on to doing my Charlotte. And yet again, I'll do the same. Eyes up in my seed tray holder, seed plot holders, plant pot holders, and we'll do the same and get them all filled up. As you can see, all those are now done. It's quite a quick job, quick and easy job. If you're growing them at home, you can grow them in tubs. You don't necessarily have to grow them in the ground. So when it gets to planting them out, I will show you how you need to grow them when you're growing them in tubs, or you can actually get special potato bags for them. So that's how you chip potatoes. So that's them all there on my shelf with my labels there, so I know which ones are which. And I've just got to leave them to chip now. Like I said, they need to be in a light, coolish spot, possibly about 10 degrees. They need to be somewhere frost free. Obviously there's a chance for frost near my shed, but hopefully they should be okay. And they don't want to be in the dark. Okay. So when you're buying potatoes, you don't want to buy ones that have been in the supermarket or shops for ages, and they will look scraggly, they look white, roots just all over the place. You want to buy ones that look like the ones that I've purchased today. With chitting them, you need them to grow nice green shoots off them. You don't want the white shoots what are growing on them. This helps when they're obviously growing. They need to be the nice green healthy shoots. And like I said, they need to be stored in a light airy spot, somewhere like a garage or in the porch, what's about 10 degrees. You don't want it too hot and you don't want it too cold. This will then help when planting them out. There's two discussions over chitting. Some people say you don't need to do it, and some people say you do. Apparently it's good so that it produces a bigger harvest. I don't know what your thoughts are on it, whether you chip potatoes or not. If you let me know in the comments whether you chip them or not and how you'll get on. So I hope you've enjoyed this how-to video on how to chip potatoes. Like I said, I will put another video on how to plant the potatoes once they've chitted, either in pots or potato bags, or also in the ground as well, as I will be doing both methods this year to try it out. So thank you for watching today's how-to video, and keep gardening.